so pussy can't even stand in my space. I've been leaning so much that I might need a kickstand. I've been standing on business while they stand in quicksand. Like shit, I had to run it up. Nick Chubb with the screen pad. I'm talking dope and selling crack. Fat Joe with the lean dance. Hey. Hey, all this shit off the muscle, that struggle was stuffed in the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that bag, needed chips like a ruffle, it double, now I can take care of my mother. Just got me a house, watch the price of another. This chain out the brain, gotta die if you want it. Came up off of violence, don't mean I condone it. I'm chillin', but I keep the Glock if you want it. Hey.
Hey, shorty, just checking up on you. I see you out there shining. I'm so proud of you and all that you've accomplished. I just want you to be safe, stay strong, keep your head up. I love you.
Hey, stay trying to get to this paper. Each city, I find a new hater. Just walked out the troop, that shit brought out the fakers. Window, so I know pussy niggas gon' hate it. Can't go by the hoe if I ain't on the dangers. Got lasers on all of these blocks and they name it. I fell out with partners, they see I was greatness. They gone and I can't see the looks on their face. Pray to the Lord every day for these cases. Feel racist, can't stand near these niggas in place. He might think it's sweet and start thinking about taking. It's cool cause I'm known to throw bullets like Aikman. I used to sell dope to the fiends, had them shaking, but I switched it up when shit started getting shaken. Thought the niggas was solid, turned out they was faking and hating and really just wanted my place. I really came up from the bottom of the basement. Went from taking to giving, that's crazy. Turned up for my son, now I got a new baby. Might cop a Mercedes to get my old lady. Not grabbing no mic if them niggas ain't pay me. True hustle, my people knew that when they made me. A 600 stepper gon' step if they make me. They pussy and I already know they won't make it. Hey, all this shit off the muscle, that struggle was stuffed in the bitch like a knuckle. Got to that bag, needed chips like a ruffle, it double, now I can take care of my mother. Just got me a house, watch the price of another. This chain out the brain, gotta die if you want it. Came up off of violence, don't mean I condone it. I'm chillin', but I keep the Glock if you want it. Hey.
I know as you sit back and watch what's going on, it look real special. But you gotta understand, when it get better, it get worse. You're looking at all the things that come with this whole lifestyle, but you ain't looking at the side effects of success. One thing about the success, when it hit, man, everybody got their hand out. Everybody looking for you. Everybody entitled, man. You get more problems than you ever can imagine because everybody looking at you as you to get out. Yeah, you to get out of jail free card. You to, I'm gonna get out the ghetto on. Like, so you got a lot of, I'm talking about there's so much pressure coming your way and you can't even celebrate your success because now everybody changing up on you.
Wonder why it always seems to rain when I am lost of love. I lost in love. I lost all the love, baby. It's all right. 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 We're live. We're doing it. We're back at the BD fucking H. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care. If you're going to be profitable today, I want to see your hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. The roof is on fire. Think about it. All right. Going big. It's time. Another day, another dollar. I don't know about you guys, but it looks a lot. The market right now looking a lot like yesterday. Is it a coincidence? Huh. Big kind of bull flag here on the overnight. It's weird. Could it be? Could it be once again that we do the same shit that we did yesterday? We've got previous day high, 21,690 level. We had some earnings overnight. We've got the Monday high, 21,600. Right now, sitting there at the VWAP on the hourly chart, we bounced off that pivot point, 435. A lot of volatility here overnight from the 600s down to the 400s, back up. I don't know. Interesting. Interesting. I think there's something to be said here. Something to be said here about what we see here. You know what I mean? Like, there's something to be said about what we see. This is the way I'm looking at it. So we'll have to find out. Whew. You guys ever like wake up in the morning and just think to yourself like how fucking lucky we are? How absolutely lucky we are to be able to do what we do, right? To wake up in the morning, to get on the computer, to press a couple buttons, make a little bit of money, you know, and just walk away. That's my life goal right there. I want to wake up, I want to make a little bit of money, and then I want to live my life. Amen, brothers. Amen, sisters and brothers in the chat. Can I get a hallelujah? Work an hour a day, make a couple $1,000, get the fuck out. You know, hey, that ain't a bad life. That is not a bad life. I still remember back in the day when I was working construction. You know, back in the day, working construction, making $400 a week. Oh my God. Back when I was 19 years old, working for my dad. I think he was underpaying me. I think I was getting gypped. This is also, I don't even remember. I was like, if I was 19, I'm 36 now, what, 17 years ago? Holy shit. 17 years ago. Crazy. What was the price of gas 17 years ago? $2.60. So it was still pretty, gas was pretty expensive still. How did I survive on $400 a week? Holy shit. That's what's crazy to think about. My rent was like $800 a month. I was living in a little apartment. Just living, man. It was crazy. Your father learns you to work for your money. No, he made me work for it. He didn't learn me. He didn't learn me to. He made me to. He made me to. There are people in Europe working for $400 a month. Oh. Should I, what does that mean? Should I be sad? Should I feel bad for them? Welcome to America, baby. The land of we work all the fucking time. Somebody just asked about my trade duration. Don't worry, I got the stats for you right here. This is most of my trades under a minute to 2 minutes, and then kind of just dwindles down. I don't think I had, that must be a glitch. 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Maybe, I don't think I've ever held a trade for 30 minutes in these accounts, but maybe I did. It's hard to say. But what's interesting though, when you look at that, the majority of my P&L, most of my P&L out of the $100 and whatever million that I've made, the majority of it comes from trades that are 2 to 5 minutes long. So I do more under a minute trades, but my P&L from the under a minute trades is smaller than my trades that are 2 to 5 minutes. Is that I don't know. Is it a coincidence? Is it something to think about? Should I change my strategy? What should I do? I don't know. I'm up $120,000 here in a total of 17 days. This is my Tradeify journal here. You can see yesterday making $5.7 thousand and then 6.5 on Monday. So I don't want to jinx it. I had a dream last night about it. Actually, I'm getting to that point, right, where it's like, this is that dangerous point where you start getting to you kind of like almost like you manifest a red day. Because you're kind of like, it's got to come, right? You think to yourself, like, I'm going to lose at some point. Like, I'm going to have a red day, but like, it gets a little like bit of a mind game. I've been in this situation many times where I go on a really good run, 15 days, 17 days of green. And then that first red day, it's nasty, really nasty. So my goal is obviously to avoid a red day. But if I do have a red day, I'm going to try to keep it in check. And that's like something that I got to do this year. I got to keep those red days in check. I cannot blow up the fucking accounts just because I'm having a red day. It needs to be, you know, in check. So we'll see. We got to just stay patient here. My net P&L trading right now in these Trade of 8 accounts, $120,000 with a 71% win rate. Like I said yesterday, there is no other YouTuber out there. No YouTuber. I'm telling you right now, there is not one YouTuber out there in the entire YouTube trading fucking live streaming space that can show you this type of stats. Not one. So haters gonna hate, players gonna play, baby. You know, we gotta make money. Welcome to it. Welcome to America, baby. The land of the making the money, man. Money, 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 man. Right now, the Nasdaq holding up there, the hourly chart right at the VWAP for now. Like I said, kind of looking like, you know, like a little bit of a repeat from yesterday. Yesterday, the market just grinding higher, the little dip, and then the push, end of day, closing up at the highs. And then we had earnings come out, market dropped, dipped down overnight, back into this 436 level. This is where we broke out yesterday as well. So, you know, from an overall technical analysis standpoint, you know, pulling back into that previous area where we broke out before, that's kind of a bullish thing, right? Like if the market kind of, we know, well, if you bought the course, you know that what do we know? Anybody got an answer? What do we know? That the market loves to move in waves, right? That's just basically how the market moves. We push up, we pull back. We push up, we pull back. So pullbacks don't mean the market's going to go to zero. The market just means that, I mean, the pullbacks are just part of the process. If we want to go higher, we've got to kind of put in these higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So we filled the gap there from the overnight on Sunday, right? We filled the gap. We pulled back Tuesday. We pushed up through Monday's high of day. And then now we've got that 21,700 level up there. And then after that, we've got the previous week high being up here. And remember, a lot of that news from the over the weekend that crashed the market came from tariff news. We had the tariff stuff going on, Trump talking about tariffs, and a lot of that is why the market gapped down like it did. So now that the tariffs are back off the table, or they're off the table, does that mean the market is just going to push back up to where we were at before the tariff news? I don't know, but that's kind of the play here. You know, we're basically trading the news. We're in that new cycle. It's a new year. We got a new president. America's back, baby. We got Elon Musk taking over the financials. I love all the Democrats that are literally shitting their fucking pants right now because they're all like, why we can't have Elon Musk? Why is Elon Musk even looking at the financials? This is not fair. It's like, oh, I wonder what Elon Musk is gonna find when he goes and looks through all of the bullshit fucking organizations and charities and all the fucking waste of money that the USA does every day. So I wonder what he's gonna find. I guarantee it won't be good news. That's for sure. So it's hilarious. It's funny too because it's always the same fucking characters, right? Elizabeth Warren, all these fucking morons that are sitting there and they're like, we cannot have a billionaire, you know, looking at the financials of America. That's not fair and it's not allowed. You know, we can't have Elon Musk looking at how the government spends money. That's not allowed. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, man. I'm like, why do you not want to look? You would think, you know what's funny is you would think that of all the people, right, that the Democrats, you know, the Democrats would hopefully like want to figure out like where the money's going more than anybody, right? You'd be like, I want to figure out like where does all the money go, you know? But instead they don't want to. Oh, Trump tard yapping. Hey, guess what? He's my president. Okay, there you go. Anybody, it's like, I love when people think that I'm an idiot because I like Trump. It's like, what's the other option? Well, who do you like? You like AOC? You like Elizabeth Warren? You know, which politician do you fucking like? Because you tell me, because it would mean a lot. You know, it would mean a lot to find out. Like, because I would basically know if you're a fucking retard or not. America, baby, we're back. AOC looks great as a barista, as a senator, you know, a congresswoman. I don't know. Put her back to Starbucks. You know, she does a better job making a fucking latte than she does whatever job she's doing in the government right now. And that's not even me being sexist by any means. You know, they'd be like, Patrick's such a feminist. He's misogynistic. He hates women. I'm like, what? Nope. Patrick, what kind of keyboard? I don't even know. I don't know the brand of it. It's like see-through, but I don't know the company that makes it. Maybe it looks on the bottom there. Actually it says, yeah, Machinic. I don't know exactly. Not being partisan, but Elon has not been vetted, and him having access to the books is a conflict of interest. What conflict of interest is it? He's gonna help us not spend money on stupid shit? You know, that's what the conflict of interest is. Like, oh, you know, we cannot have Elon Musk looking at the books, because if he sees that America's spending $1 million a day to research fucking rats fucking each other, then, you know, we might have a problem. I saw there was the America spent $500,000 on a scientific research program to figure out if rats could be depressed or not. Yeah, that's what we spend our tax money on. Trying to figure out if rats experience depression. Dude, those rats, man, those poor little rats. Dude, you know? There you go. Why can't the government have a website where everybody in America can see exactly how the government spends the money? Elon Musk has numerous government contracts and can see other contracts having a competitive advantage. Come on. You really think that's the issue? You think Elon Musk really is trying to figure out what his competitors are charging? Come on, you know? Come on now. Let's be honest. What is the indicator that I'm using? We're using the LuxAlgo price action contract concepts. I don't think Elon Musk even cares about money, to be honest. Like, he's got more money than God, and he just wants to go to Mars. You know? The truth, I mean, that's just the truth, you know? What does he really have to, like, what is he trying to, like, do? Hey, Elon Musk is trying to become a trillionaire. Even being Elon's like, listen, guys, if I could just figure out exactly what Lockheed Martin is charging America for, you know, their technology, then I can also charge less, and I can take the government contract, you know? If only I could figure that out. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Money is never enough. I mean, like I said, I don't honestly think that Elon Musk cares about the money. I think he just wants to, like, do crazy shit. I don't know. Just put it out there. He doesn't want money, but he has known to be retaliatory against his adversaries. All right. Whatever, you know. All right, Nasdaq right now sitting right below that pivot point, 35 level. We had a little bit of news come out here at 8:30. The market popped up here to the 533s, pulled back here into the VWAP. We've got this kind of like overnight kind of bull flag. It's like an overnight bull flag here. Look at the hourly chart. It's not pretty, but we pulled back pretty much to right where we popped up there yesterday morning. So, you know, I kind of like the play there. I like that. I like that play, you know. Everybody wants to party. All right, it's 9 o'clock. We're looking VWAP right now, trying to be support. Will the VWAP hold up here? I will say, like, looking like that 1 hour chart, we could, you know, could be a bear flag kind of playing out here. I'd say like below the 488 level, and then we get that back into the low from the overnight would be kind of the bearish play. But if we look here on the smaller time frames, kind of that Monday high being up there, 21,600. Let's see. More from Porsche or Lamborghini? What's that mean? It's hard to get short. I like that, Dustin. That's, you know, that's a good way to look at it. The daily looks stupid. Let's look at the daily. Daily chart does not look good. That daily chart does not look good right now. Well, I will say we do have like an inside candle right now, right? Which is normally not a good sign in terms of price action. A lot of times when we get these inside candles, we get stuck in a chop zone here. So let's see how that plays today. Right now, the daily candle kind of looking a little thingamajiggy. How do you like the LuxAlgo? I've used LuxAlgo for a while, for like the last year or so. I do like them, not just because they pay me lots of money, but it's interesting. That 15-minute chart looks a little bit more like it wants to break out to the upside here. If we get above that 550 level, and then you got that 600 level up there next. See we go. Have you taken any trades yet, or just waiting for the open? I'm waiting for the open. No trades yet. No trades. Patience, patience, patience. No trades. No trades. Patience, patience, patience. Oh man. Anybody pumped up? Anybody pumped up for market open? Anybody get us? I get pumped. I wake up in the morning, I'm like excited. I'm excited for another day of action, baby. Trump's back. We get volatility. The market moves. You gotta love it. That's what we want to see. The market moving, baby. Oh yeah. Trust me, if you've never traded during a Trump market, you are about to be delighted. Trump markets go boom in terms of the volatility. A lot of volatility, a lot of talking, a lot of people posting stuff, and it gets good. So, but then also, I will say, think about that as well. More volatility, more chance of blowing up, more chance of issues. So be on it. Wait for the perfect setups. Wait for the right opportunities. You don't need to trade every little move in the market. You know, everybody wants to fucking like trade every single little move, and it's not a good plan, right? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Trust me, I've been there. I've done that. It ain't worth it. You know, it ain't worth it. 8 years of trying to fucking chase waterfalls, and trust me, you're gonna get destroyed over time. Trade the action that's in front of you. Don't worry if the market's going higher, let it go higher. If it's going down, let it go. You know, you trying to buy the dip ain't gonna stop the market from fucking crashing. Or you trying to short the big move up ain't gonna stop it from going higher. You're just a little fucking, you're not even, most people probably are trading on a fucking simulated funded account anyways. They're not even anything to do with liquidity. But I see a lot of traders who try to basically fight the market. The trend is your friend. You know, like that's the easiest way to trade is to trade with the trend. If the trend is going up, look for an opportunity to get in, ride the wave higher. Don't trade, you know, right into resistance. Don't trade into previous day highs. Don't trade, don't short at the bottom. Just simple rules. You know, you don't have to even buy my course. I can break it down simply for you. Number 1 rule, the trend is your friend. Number 2 rule, don't try to pick the top. Number 3 rule, don't try to pick the bottom. The money my friends, is made between the top and the bottom. The money is not made at the top. It's not made at the bottom. It is made between the two. So trying to be the guy who picks the top does not help you. Trying to be the guy who's like, hey, I see a 30-point move here. I see an opportunity to make 30 points because the market is crashing down or the market's going up. Like, hey, let's go. Let's get in on that. Let's make some money. So I know we talk a lot of shit around here, but again, very simple. Don't go overcomplicating it. I know people don't believe me that it's that simple, but it really is. If you simply just try to trade with the market, you will save yourself a lot of heartache and a lot of issues over time. And it's not just me sitting here trying to be like Mr. All-Knowing, I know everything about trading and I know, like, that's not what this is. This is me telling you from experience. Like I said, 8 years, and I know I keep saying 8 years, but I've been trading for 8 years and I've tried every fucking theory there is. I've tried to short at the top. I've tried to buy the bottom. I've tried to do everything. I've tried every indicator, every chat room, every fucking way of trading. I've done it all. And again, it's not me sitting here to like brag about that. It's just saying like I've fucked up enough times, to find out. Like I have fucked around enough times to find out. And I'm just trying to share the truth with you guys that if you get anything from this stream, if you learn anything from me, anything at all, please just keep it simple. Trade with the trend. Don't try to pick the top. Don't try to pick the bottom. And you'll save yourself so much mental capital, fucking money, emotions, all that. It makes life just so much easier. So, all right, look at this little kind of bull flaggy thingy looking holding on right here at the VWAP. We got a pivot point right there at the 534s. And then we got this data high there at 830 at 553. The Asian market high is all the way up there actually at around like 6. Well, Asian market is like kind of this 566 level, but like the overnight up there is 623. There's a high there. And yeah, baby. VWAP right now holding up for now. Let's see how this plays. That last 10-minute candle, look at that thing. Nice little wiki wick on the bottom of that candle. Nice little wiki wick on the bottom of that candle there. Getting tight. ES is also pushing out as well. ES pushing up here. ES very similar setup to the Nasdaq. ES kind of already pushing above that 830 high right there. So the ES making the move before the Nasdaq here. We still got some time until market open actually. It's only 9:11. I thought it was a little bit closer to open, but you can see the ES is already taken out this high from earlier at that 830 area. I would say, obviously as long as the Nasdaq wants to follow the ES, well, 560 area comes up next on the Nasdaq here. This is that high from the data news at 553. So you got 560 area kind of up there next if we follow the ES here. Sometimes, like I've talked about before, the ES will start to make a move, right? It'll start to push up through a certain level, and then kind of once it continues higher, the Nasdaq will follow, and you'll get that good continuation. So we're doing it. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. Blow it up, blow it up. Blow it up, blow it up. Patrick, how big should you trade with a 300K account with a 7K drawdown? Whew. I don't know. I don't know what your strategy is. Hard to say. I can't just be like, oh, do this, do that. If it was that easy, we'd all be rich, wouldn't we? I don't know how many contracts that you normally trade. I don't know what your strategy is. I think you got to just look at hey, what's your normal kind of profit per trade? If you don't have a normal profit, well, then figure it out. Why didn't I make that thing? Fuck. I thought I made a fucking new YouTube last night. Oh man. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, Nasdaq. All right, just watching here on the Nasdaq right now. A little push, push, push. Little push, push, push. Also, anybody in the chat, if you're an editor, like if you're a good editor, I'm looking to hire an editor. That's right. I'm looking to hire an editor on site, in person, by the way. You got to be inside. Got to come trade at the BDH. $100,000 a year is what I'm offering. So let me know. Don't even, you know, don't even respond if you don't live in South Florida. You better already know how to trade. I mean, you better already know how to edit. I'm not teaching you how to fucking edit, and I'm not teaching you how to trade. So it's a job you're working. All right, Nasdaq pushing up there through the pivot point, just like we kind of were looking at. We saw, look at the ES. ES is on a move right now. ES pushing up, Nasdaq above that pivot now, 540s. You've got this 550 area up there next. Right, 550 is that recent high right now. 540s trying to push. And we're getting ready for market open here, baby. Market open coming up. That 15-minute candle breaking up there above these two highs, and then, like I said, that 550 area up there next. We got 14 minutes here till the market opens. 14 minutes, my friends. 14 minutes. We had Apple and Google and Chipotle and Uber earnings. And looking at the economic calendar right now, what do we got for news today? We got 9:45 news. We got 10 a.m. news, by the way. 9:45 and 10 a.m. here today. So keep that in mind. 9:45 and 10 a.m. Nasdaq pushing off here, off of the VWAP for now. And like I said, kind of thinking that we can get above this like 560 area. Or like, yeah, up into that 550 area through this data high there, 830 candle. Whenever I see that like 830 candle like that, it's like you just know that they're going to try to push it. Just try to push it up there, you know. They be trying to push it real good. Push it. Look at the ES right now too. ES is literally just ripping. Nasdaq's kind of lagging right now, so we'll see if the ES continues like this, the Nasdaq will try to rip higher as well, like we talked about.
Trade pre-market?
Do you ever trade pre-market? Sometimes. It just depends on the market. But I try to not do it because, like we've seen with my stats, normally not the best accuracy. The price action is not as clean pre-market, right? It's just not as clean. So let's see how this plays at open. Right now, VWAP down there at the 518s. 518s on the VWAP. We got Monday's high kind of as an interesting area. Again, that 21,600 to the upside there. And then we've got the gap fill. If we do fill the gap from yesterday's close, that puts us all the way back up there to 668. And then we've got yesterday's high as well, 693. So 693 is that little double top from yesterday, right before the close. And yeah, I mean, kind of just watching here. See if the bulls are going to want to come in and play. The bulls. Also, you can see on the hourly chart there as well, trying to hold up. We bounced off the pivot point overnight. Little green, 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 green on those hourly candles. Kind of see we'll form a little flag right there, a little bull flag. And we'll want to push. Will she want to push? We're going to find out. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. We love everybody around here. Do-do-do-do. Bada boom, bada boom, boom, boom. It's important right now just to breathe it in, breathe it out, breathe it in, breathe it out. Breathe it in, breathe it out. We got that pivot point right there at the 534s. A little push up into here now. VWAP down there, 519 as well. And we'll see how she plays at open. That 560 area up there. Kind of watching. We got 9 minutes till market opens. 9 minutes. So many new subscribers today. Let's go. 1 million subscribers, baby. 1 million subscribers. Let's go. The LuxAlgo indicator that I have pulled up right now is the price action concepts. Price action concepts. Price action concepts. We've talked about it here on the channel for a while, probably like the last 2 years, actually. What are we looking for today? I think the bulls are going to want to push again today. That overnight move kind of setting us up for a bull flag going into open here again. But we'll have to just kind of sit back. Obviously, if we can't, I think like that 500 area needs to hold up for the bulls. We hold up at the 500s and then try to push through the 550s, 560s, and then up there 21,600 next. So we got 7 minutes till market opens. Let's see if these bulls want to play. The ES also agreeing with me. ES trying to push up through. We got some resistance from the overnight on the ES here at the 650s, which would kind of be like the overnight high there. 650 area, get through that on the ES, and then you got the gap fill. This key level, that 6,060 area on the ES now, right? 6,060 key level. Looking to see if we can't get a push to fill that gap here on the ES. That would obviously take the Nasdaq higher as well. Keep an eye on the ES. Keep an eye on the Nasdaq here, my friends. Keep an eye on it. Nasdaq 540 here going into open. That 560 area kind of has me looking to see if we get that push. I think 560s at open, just kind of straight up into it. You know what I mean? Straight up into it there. Tom Lawrence said, do you mean a bear flag on the hourly? No. I mean like kind of a bull flag here. We got this little trend that I was looking at, but 550 is already kind of getting pushed. Again, bouncing off that pivot point there. That 551, 553 high on that candle there. So we'll see how she plays at open. We got 5 minutes here till market opens. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Looking for this push. Look at the ES right now pushing. ES is going through the 50s. It's funny, I feel like we just talked about this idea. The ES showing strength, the Nasdaq following the strength. Right? ES is following, Nasdaq following, ES following. Someone said, big move at 10 a.m. What's up with 10 a.m.? Do you have any black hair at all? Why would I have black hair? I'm a ginge, dog. Not a black hair on my body. Mostly blonde. The LuxAlgo Indicator. Yes, you have to pay for it. Are you black? Well, they say that I had 1% Northern African when I did the DNA test. So 1%, baby. 1%. I'm rich. Do you think that dollar cost averaging works? Maybe. Northern African is mainly Middle Eastern. No. Hey, we're not going to start, you know. All I know is my DNA says I'm from Africa, all right? And that's all that matters. I will not have you downplay my heritage here, okay? I will not have you downplay it. Nah, actually, I think I'm from like, you know, Mesopotamia. I'm one of the original fucking, my bloodline is one of the original bloodlines of the human race that populated the whole planet, pretty much. Hey, look. Nasdaq, where'd it go? Why? What? What's happening? Why is the Nasdaq going through the 550s here? Did we just talk about that? Why does this always happen to me? Whenever I talk about something happening, it just happens. Algeria welcomes Patrick. I'm gonna go to Algeria. Let's go. Here we go. Market about to open up. We're already breaking out to the upside. Fuck. I was hoping we'd get a little, you know, little dippy at open, dip down there to the VWAP, but look, it's already going higher. Good Lord. Good Lord, Billy. Here we go. 30. I got 30 seconds now, people. 30 seconds. Are you gonna rap freestyles? I'm rapping all day, baby. Don't you worry. We rapping right now. Rip, rip, rip. Beep, 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 beep. Rip, rip. Beep, 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 beep. Freestyling. Beatboxing. Seconds till market open. Holy shit. It's happening. It's happening. The market is open. Holding up there at the 550s for now. You got that 580 level. Well, yeah, that kind of 580 area from the overnight I'd be looking at here. Just need a little bit more rocket fuel. Got that pivot point right there at the 35s. Dipping down there into the 540s again. Dippity dip. See, this music's going hard right now. We got the flute playing. I need more creatine, boys. I got to get more creatine in me. More creatine, more brain power, more money. I think Nasdaq's got to break through these double top there now, 550 area. We got 2 minutes left, or I mean 30 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. They're playing with it. Nasdaq playing with us right now. Got to hold up at the VWAP there. Hold the VWAP. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Nasdaq down there to the VWAP again, or almost to the VWAP. 530s now. ES pulling back here as well. There's that dip down to the VWAP. We need to rocket straight up now. Off the VWAP. Just rocket straight up, Nasdaq. Just go straight off the VWAP, straight to the fucking moon. Trouble here. Got this like 500 level down there. Like I said earlier, that 500 level key level for the bulls now. Right there at the VWAP now. Top step got short. God damn it. It's time for the market to go to the moon. JK, I'm just kidding. I won't be so. I'm gonna be nice today. I'm gonna be nice today. I'm gonna be nice. I promise. All right, will we bounce off the VWAP there? Top step short. I don't know. We'll see. Uh-oh. 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 What does that mean? What does that mean? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Uh-oh. Push it up there through the 540s. Trouble. 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 Uh-oh. 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 Up there into the 550s now, that 560 area. She wants to rip it through the 550s and then try to push, push, push. Push, push, push. Yes, yes, yes. Top step has a stop loss at 550 or something, like 560 maybe. So they're gonna get stopped. Get ready. Guys, you can't make this shit up, boys. You cannot make this stuff up. Are you kidding me right now? You can't make it up. Look at this. It's just going higher. Right off the fucking VWAP, boys. Right off the VWAP. I got one contract, two contracts left here. Let's see if we can ride this thing a little higher. Buying into the VWAP there at open. Oh, God. Push it, baby. Push it real good. But my stop basically at break even now. Oh, Top Step got so close to getting stopped out. They haven't got stopped out yet, so we got to go higher. Market's got to go higher first before to stop them out. Come on. It's got to. It's just got to. All right, I'm going to put my target right where their stop loss is. Their stop loss is at 64. I'm going to put my target right where their stop loss is. We'll see who wins the battle here. We'll see. Top Step short at the 64. Their stop is at 64. They're short. I think they're out. Or are they out? No, they're still short. Who knows? They're short from the 530s. I'm long from the 523s. Is this good? Is this a good trade, guys? Hey, everybody in the chat, is this good? I can't figure it out. Is this a good trade? I can't figure it out. Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, that was bad. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What happened? It never fails. Bro, I just can't. I just can't. I can't. I just can't. I can't do it anymore. I quit. I just can't trade like this anymore. Oh, my God. The number one indicator, baby. Number one indicator on the entire world right there. You can see how well the VWAP held up there. 522 VWAP. 522 VWAP. What a trade right there, my friends. What a beautiful trade. Oh, now they're long. So their stop on their long is 550. Fuck yeah. They're long from the 559s. They got long after we sold. Oh, Lord. You can't make this shit up, man. You just cannot make this shit up. And by the way, you can see there on the 2-minute chart, the LuxAlgo trend lines, right? Those trend lines are drawn out there. See like that dotted line? And look at how we kind of push right up into that little wedge right there. So They might get lucky. Hey, like I said, you know, don't pick the top. Trade with the trend, baby. Trade with the trend. Am I collabed with LuxAlgo? I am collabed. All right, that 580 area, 570 coming up there. The VWAP settings. I don't change any settings on the VWAP. It's just standard VWAP. Well, there's 580s. $580s, boys. How does it feel to always win? I don't know. It just fucking feels good. You know, it just absolutely feels amazing. For everybody that's interested, you can see here the way I traded this, right? There's no dollar cost averaging rules for take profit trader. And I basically wanted to add into the VWAP. We talked about the VWAP, right? I did take a position, bought. Basically, this is the 1 minute chart. If we look at the 5 minute chart, looks a little bit better for those ads, but in general, off of the VWAP there. My VWAP bounce. I said it before market open. I said, hey, let's get this pullback there into the VWAP. I did not go all in. I only had literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 contracts per account. You could have lost the accounts. Why? What do you want from me? You could have lost. Yeah, I could have, and I could also be a bitch. You know, I could also trade on Top Step. You know, I could also, like, I don't fucking know. I could also fucking, you know, have a fucking 20-inch dick. You know, I could also be poor. I could also fucking get killed. I could also die. I could also just fucking like have a heart attack right now. I could also just be broke. I could also, I mean, like, it's called trading. What do you mean this is not I fucking hate the chat sometimes. Well, I don't hate the chat. I hate the fucking morons in the chat. It's like, what do you want? What do you want from me? It's like I win and it's not enough. Oh, but you didn't do it the right way, Patrick. You didn't trade it the right way. What, like, I don't know. Like, what do you want? I don't know what to do. Just never gonna be happy. We'll never be fucking happy. Did I make money? Hey, let's do a quick question. Did I make money? Did I make money today? Let me think about it. Oh yeah, I did. So yeah, you know, I could have, should have. That's my favorite. It's like, Patrick, but you could have lost. No shit. No fucking shit. Every single trade that we take, we could possibly fucking lose. You know? Like, that's welcome to fucking trading. You know, welcome to trading, people. Fucking mind-blowing. Oh my God. Patrick, I can't believe it. Did you know that you could have lost? You know? You know, if my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle, just like American RV said. You know, like I don't fucking know, man. What do you want from me? I just love, like, it's like if I win, then it's still people aren't happy. They're like, yeah, but Patrick, you know, you could have lost. You know, like I know that you won that trade, Patrick, but you could have lost. Like, no shit, Captain Obvious. Welcome to the fucking real world. Welcome to the goddamn real world. Fucking A. Come on, Top Step. Get stopped out here. Top Step's long right now. There's no way. I cannot get long if Top Step's long. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. I mean, if their win-loss ratio is so terrible, why would you ever copy trade them? Can you show us your next entry? Yeah, if I see something good here, I'll let you know. Don't you worry. Right now, We got news coming out, 9:45 news. We got 10 o'clock news, 9:45, 10 o'clock news. Is Top Step going to hold this long through the news? Let's see how bad they're really teaching their traders a lot of good lessons over there. Coaches. Those coaches are really teaching their traders such good lessons over there. Hey, everybody, let's get long and hold it through the news that's coming out. So easy to get beat up, Patrick. Be careful. You might get in a car accident. Dangerous world, Patrick. I might get beat up. Patrick, you better be careful because you might get beat up. Oh, okay. Cool. Hey, if anybody's feeling froggy, jump, all right? You know where I'm at. You can find me. It's not hard to find. If anybody's feeling froggy, fucking jump. I dare you. I would dare for someone to come beat me up. I would dare you. I'll let you have the first punch. And then after that, I'm gonna fucking destroy you. I'll put my foot so far up your fucking ass, you're gonna be licking on my toes, boy. I'll rip your fucking head off and I'll shit down your throat and put it back on. I'll fucking roll you up like carpet, boy. I think people really underestimate how fucking badass I am. You know, I think they really do. And I love it. I love the fact that people underestimate me. That's my favorite part. I used to live in Hawaii and used to fucking train jiu-jitsu and work out with fucking UFC fighters. So yeah, I'm a fucking loser. I got no idea what I'm gonna do. Okay, Patrick. Nasdaq pushing up here, 580s now. This is not a beautiful setup here. We had that news come out 9:45. We got 10 o'clock news coming out next. Patience, my friends, patience. There's your 15-minute opening range now. The high of that candle, 588. And if you were here this morning, if you were here before the market opened, we talked about this 580 area before the market even opened. All right? We talked about this before the market opened. So again, we just keep winning. I told you. The bulls, VWAP, 580, 600 level. It just makes sense. It just like put two and two together. 1 + 1 = 3. You know? If you try to if you try to put your dick in a fucking rat trap, you're gonna get fucking clapped. So don't do it. Fucking life advice from Patrick Wieland. Former New York stock market specialist here. I've learned more from you in your course in 2 weeks than in 5 years. Holy shit. That's pretty epic. Like, did you actually work on the New York Stock Exchange? Because if you did, I need that. I need an actual writing saying that. 2 weeks, learn more. Top Step just sitting over there holding on to their long right now, hoping and praying. The best part is we've already taken profit on our longs this morning. We're already in the green, boys. Come on. I can just walk away right now and still make more money than everybody else. That's the best part about it. Nasdaq pulling back here. I want to see. We got to get Top Step stopped out of their long, and then it's time to get long. That's what I want to see happen here. Is that I'm messed up. I gotta be nice. I should be nicer, right? I should. I feel bad. It's like making fun of the fucking retards on the front of the bus or on the short bus. So, you know, it's like, it's just not even fair. It's not even right. It's not even fair at this point. Just gotta let them be, you know? Let the retards just fucking keep trying to put the fucking square peg in the round hole, you know? Just the fucking trying to put that square peg in the round hole, man. They can't stop. They won't stop. We got the 15-minute range, opening range coming up there. And then that 600 level next. 21,600. trying to put their fucking, hey, I'll give you a piece of advice. If you are ever trying to fuck a round hole, don't use a square. Use something round. It makes it a lot easier. More life advice of Patrick Wieland. Little did you guys know that when you come here to watch this live stream, you would just get all this life advice. You know, I'm just trying to get people more educated out there, you know, trying to help the world, trying to be a better place. I want to help the world be a better place. What's your opinion about Trades by Matt, new prop firm? I don't think it's a prop firm. I think it's a platform. My opinion is cool. Congratulations. I think it's cool. I'm doing something else, but yeah, I'm not going to speculate on his payouts. Ginger's laughing in the back. How do you know about Ginger, Michael? What you got a camera on here? They know about you, Ginger. We got what? How'd they know? You gotta keep her off camera at all times. I still think it's hilarious that I did a job interview with Ginger, and I was like thinking to myself, like, does she have any idea of who I am and what I do? You know, like, she's gonna be really surprised when she finds out that the BDH actually means the big dick house. She's gonna be real surprised, like, oh shit, this guy's crazy. But she watched the YouTube videos before the job interview, so that's probably a good idea. If you're gonna apply for a job with Patrick Wieland, make sure you watch the videos first. Is it going down at news? Liz Gardens, well, that's a good question. What about the basketball? Why do you watch the basketball for? Look at that Chipotle CEO. He don't even fucking look like he eats Chipotle. They got the Chipotle CEO right now on the news, and this motherfucker don't even look like he eats Chipotle. That's the problem. They need to put Patrick Wieland in charge. I eat Chipotle every goddamn day. I will tell them exactly what they need to do to be more profitable. I got to figure out all the different signatures, but I think one of the signatures is I think, fuck, it's hard to figure out which signatures are what, but I know there's Jimmy Butler on there, Josh Richardson. I was trying to look online. It's hard to figure it out which ones are which. So basically, the fishing tournament that we did over the weekend, the Miami Heat sponsors it, or their charity does. So they raise money through the fishing tournament. Top Step's down $1,000 on the day. Not bad, not bad. I just, you know, the best part about being me is just like the bar is set so low, right? Like, to be the #1 day trader on YouTube, the bar is set so fucking low that you don't even, like, all you have to do is just not lose money and you're the #1. Top Step lost $400,000 in 2024 and I made like 800,000. So I'm not very good at math, but like, what return is that? What that's like how much return is that? If they lost 400,000 and I made 800,000, how much more money did I make than them? I gotta ask ChatGPT. I want to know percentages, baby. We got news coming out in 8 minutes, by the way. Patience, my friends. Patience. No. If comparing 400,000 loss to 800,000 profit. I can't do the math. Where's ChatGPT when you need it? It would just be 300%. Fuck, I thought it would be like more because they lost more, but I guess not. One account verse 20. Oh, that's my favorite argument too. Patrick, the money that you made, it's not real because you didn't trade it in a live account. You trade it in a funded account. It's not this. I mean, hey, you know what? When I look at my watch, when I look at my $20,000 watch, I think, is it real? Is it real? Is it check? Oh, no, it's not. Oh, what does it say on it? AP? What kind of shitty brand is that? Oh my God, this must be a fake watch. Get rid of this thing. What? Oh, no. Fucking demo watch. Goddamn demo watch. It's a goddamn demo watch. Demo watches only, boys. Throw it at the Porsche. Yeah, let's not say we did. I'm getting my my Huracan, the STO, back. I'm getting it back later. I don't think I posted a video of it doing the flames yet, but look at this thing. Did I post a video of it? No, not yet. I gotta post a video of it. Flaming. A little flamer. Yo, it's salty here. My work on my work on the Seahorse out of Buffett's Marina. What's up, Salty? Buffett's Marina, what's good? How's it going? We got 5 minutes here until the 10 o'clock news comes out. So just being patient, waiting, watching. Don't be like Top Step and lose money on this right here. What's the watch? I can't even say the name of it. That's how uneducated I am. Fuck. I need to actually find out what the actual pronunciation of that is. How do you how to pronounce AP? Let's see if somebody on Google can help me. All right, let's see. Hold on a second.
Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of luxury watchmaker from Switzerland with the typical Swiss-French pronunciation. We are looking at how to pronounce Audemars Piguet.
Audemars Piguet.
Piguet, the S at the end of Audemars is definitely silent, and so is the T at the end of Piguet. Audemars.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that sounds a little gay. Audemars Piguet. Fuck. Now I gotta sell the watch. I can't have a gay watch. God, that's. Let me do it again.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Audemars.
Swiss French pronunciation. We are looking at how to pronounce Audemars Piguet.
Audemars Piguet. Piguet. Audemars Piguet. Fuck. Audemars Piguet. Audemars. No, is it Audemars? Audemars Piguet. Audemars Piguet. That's pretty funny, actually. I got an Audemars Piguet. Y'all ever been to the Audemars Piguet website? Audemars Piguet. Luxury. Look at this fucking thing. We got 4 minutes here until the news comes out. We're waiting. Nothing. There is no reason to trade this right now. 150 years. Oh, look at these things. They are not cheap. They are not cheap. Oh God. Royal Oak. I think it looks pretty sick. Look at that fucking thing. Forged carbon Royal Oak. What do we got with this thing? Damn. Audemars Piguet. That thing's pretty sick. Damn. I might need to get me one of those. It's pretty sick. Audemars Piguet. How much does this thing cost? They don't even have the price. You know it's fucking expensive when they don't even have the price on it. Let's see what they're selling for on the aftermarket. I don't think you can even. You have to like get allocation. They're selling for 280,000. 140,000, 280 right now. 280 for the Audemars Piguet. Not bad. I guess I got to do a little bit of work. I gotta do a little bit of work here. We got 2 minutes until the news comes out. Like I said, we're looking here. We got the 15-minute range. Let this play out. We're pulling back into the VWAP now, just kind of chopping around here. Nothing wrong with just waiting and watching. Waiting and watching. We're waiting. We're watching. Damn, I got a deal on my watch. They got this one for 28. I only paid 20,000. That's what happens when you patch Wieland. You get the deals. I got the same. That's the same exact watch I have. Literally, same exact watch. Yeah. Damn, Daniel. I know a guy. I know a watch guy. I like it though. Maybe I can sell mine. Who wants? I'll sell you my watch for 25,000. Who wants it? Who's in? Who's out? All right, we got 30 seconds till this news. Look at this right now. It's ripping back up. Does somebody know something? Does somebody know something? Look at that. Once again, the VWAP and the fucking pivot point. Look at that. Fucking just ripped right off there. Why y'all coming at me about the fucking, because it's pre-owned? That's like the guy that was making fun of me because I bought a used Lamborghini. Like, what a loser. He bought a used Aventador. I'm like, sir, they don't make Aventadors anymore, you dumb fuck. Oh my God. Nasdaq breaking to the outside there, outside, up there, 21,600 now. It's a fucking rocket ship, boys. Good Lord. Through the Monday's high there. Look at that. 21,600 level. I told you so. I told you so. I mean, I don't know how we got there, but we got there. 21,600 breaking. We talked about it this morning before the market opened. And here we are. A lot of volatility right around that 600 level. But again, that key level, 600 key level here. 21, that was the Monday high as well. So the news came out. We popped straight up there through the 600s now. What a move. What a fucking move. Broke out of the 15-minute range as well here now. Need to let something form. Let a flag kind of build out here now if we're going to go higher or not. Being patient. Market dipping back down into the 570s. I wonder why. We tapped into that key level there, 21,600 now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq having a little bit of trouble. Having a little bit of trouble. Still pushing. A lot of volatility right here. The spread right now is thin. Very thin spready. Very thin spread. Market trying to figure out if it wants to go higher here or not. Let that flag form. Let this price consolidate a little bit before jumping in here. Still, like I said, just kind of very thin. Buyers and sellers trying to figure out after that news came out which way it wants to go. Buyers and sellers. There's buyers and then there's sellers. That's right. Who would have thought? Right now, we're in the middle of the 15-minute range as well. Middle of the 15-minute range, no problem. Sit back, patience. After that, we've got that 670 area, which is where we closed yesterday. So we gapped down overnight with the earnings and stuff. And just being patient here. Patrick, do you check out the news? No, not really. I just look at the chart. Because what do I know? I don't know anything about the fucking news. I don't know what's good, what's bad, to be honest. We got 4,300 people watching. Let's go. We got to get over 5,000. We can beat Top Step today. If you're just now tuning in, just keep it open. Call your grandma, tell your uncle, your brother, your sister, everybody. Tune in. Let's get everybody watching this shit. Everybody can make money. All right, back to the VWAP, back to the pivot point again. Big range here, breaking through the 15-minute range here now. Well, right into it. Holy baby Jesus. Market not liking that news. Market not liking the news here. Somebody said 10 o'clock reversal. Looks like it. Sitting there at the 500s for now. Got the Dow and the ES, everything kind of just dumping down right here right now. So just let the market figure out what it wants to do. Wait for the next setup. Wait for the VWAP to get retested. That's not a bad idea. Back up here into the VWAP. If we build out a little bear flag and then we move below that 500 level to try to test the overnight low down there for 430, 420 area. Right now, this wick is kind of looking a little trappy. Let's see what happens here. This is the 2-minute chart, by the way. Trying to push back up. If you guys haven't hit that like button, we got a giveaway today. That's right. I got to give away some take profit accounts. We got to get at least 1,500 likes here on the stream. I mean, we got 4,000 people watching. Let's get them. All right, let's get it. If you guys haven't already, let's blow it up. And there you go. Nasdaq right back up there to the VWAP to the 20 to the pivot point now. I like to be patient when these types of price actions going on, you know. Let the market trap. It's trapping the longs, it's trapping shorts. Who's gonna battle? Who's gonna win? Don't try to fucking be the hero. Your live stream is behind on time. Is it? What time is it? 10:06? What time? Where are you at? Who's got a delay? Look at my clock at the bottom. I don't think we're on a behind on time. All right, Nasdaq right there at the VWAP. Want to be careful here, though. Don't just go short just because we tapped on the VWAP. I mean, I'm only 3 seconds behind in Germany. Come on. I'm trying everything I can to make the internet as fast as possible. All right, I'm trying. And I'm just in this room all by myself. It's hard. I gotta do everything. I gotta fucking win. I gotta trade. I gotta do the fucking camera. I gotta do the lighting. I gotta do everything. It's not easy doing this shit. You got the Dow kind of really dipping more. Got the ES dipping more. Nasdaq stuck here at the 540s now. If we sell through, you know, sell through the 500s there next. Just stuck right now. They're at the pivot point for now. Right there at the VWAP again. Needs to dip below 520s to get sellers to come in here. Let's see. If we get back above that pivot, it could get a little quick rip up and to stop out some shorts that are trying to short here below the VWAP. So be careful. That 520 area has got to go. 520 getting tested again. You got the ES, the Dow, everything kind of just sitting here. There's the 520 test again. They're holding that 520 level here. The battle is real. You can see on the 1 minute chart just how they're holding it like right there. So if we lose that, then it's right down into the probably 480s or so next. How is this thing holding right there? Just holding right at the 520s. It's a trap. Unless they've got to lose it. Oh my Lord. See that 520, Larry, just key level here. Testing the VWAP one more time. And just ripping back up there. That was what I was kind of worried about, taking out those stops there above that pivot point VWAP. Basically just need to get out of this fucking range here below that 520 level and see if they take it lower then. But right now, just kind of holding up there. No reason to get short yet. Trying to build out this bear flag now. Trying to dip. Chopping here. .520 battling. They really like this 520 level. Market's just stuck right here now. See the 5 minute chart kind of setting up for a bear flag as well below that pivot point there, trying to break. Are they gonna take it? 480s. Nope. Wow. They are really just holding it up here for now. Just stuck there. Market's going nowhere now. 520s. Come on, do something, market. I feel like this is going to just fucking boner candle straight back up possibly again. After not going down. Trump's sitting there just buy, buy, buy. Again, up there to the 540s, above the VWAP here. My God, what is it doing? Well, uh-oh. Boner candle. Nasdaq straight up here now, back in the 550s. Oh, boner candle. Boner candle. Top step got short of the 526s. Classic. Just classic. Absolutely classic. These fucking guys. There to the 560s now, 550 area. Pretty big doji candle there on the 15-minute chart. A lot of range here. Wick both ways. Just a big old chop fest here. Just a big old chop fest now. All right, now I feel like we got to go lower now. We get through this fucking 500 level and move down here 470 area, right? I mean, fuck it, eh? Got denied in the 15-minute range there, up at the highs, right there at the VWAP kind of area. Right? Right? Got to go lower. Right? ES is kind of holding up. The Dow just popped right back up. Just need to see some weakness. Get through this 500 level, and then I think it's really a dump fest. Everybody trying to buy this dip here at 500 or so. Still just holding on there. Well, Chop Chop City here. At some point, something's gonna happen here. Just gonna have to be patient. Oh my Lord. Still holding up there, the yellow line for now. Minute chart, we're right back up there to the pivot point again. Just holding on for now. God. I think she's got to go lower, right? I'm impressed that it's holding up here so well. If we get through this, we break these lows here, well, then you know it's like down into this level pretty quickly. Right? $5.10, that line in the sand right now, $5.10. Break through the 5.10s. Let's go, baby. Got to go lower through the 5.10s. They're just chopping there, so they can't get through there. Right back up again. Holy good Lord. Top Step's short right now, so the market can only go up. It's guaranteed. It's fucking guaranteed. It's predetermined. Imagine being short right now and then opening up YouTube and then looking and seeing that Top Step short. You're like, oh, fuck. You know, it's such a, it would just really be it would just be like, God, that really sucks. Short from the 539s. Okay. Nasdaq again back up to the 560s, just chopping here, going nowhere quick. We're right there at that pivot point. Pivot point at the 36s right now. They're trying to hold it up there. I think there's a lot of people getting short here right now. Could be another squeeze to the upside there. Market. Ugh. Come on, Nasdaq, do something. We gotta get out of this range here. Get through that 560 area. See if we start ripping back up there. There's the another boner candle. Will this boner candle hold? Time for the Nasdaq to see. Will it be a
Bye, bye, bye!
Will it be the bye, 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 bye? I'm telling you, the top step indicator right now, it's the #1 indicator in the whole entire industry right now. Just whatever they do the exact opposite and you will make money. You will make money. You will make money doing exactly the opposite, I promise you. Ruben Garcia, show the losing trade. Oh, you want to see the losing trade? Okay, Ruben. There you go, Ruben. Got long above the 40s, took profit at the 60s. Oh, Ruben. Ruben, you know likey the money? Hey, Ruben, you know likey the money? Hey, Ruben, you know likey the money? Ruben, do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Ruben. Ruben, please. Help me. Help me, Ruben. Help me, please. I need your help, Ruben. Please help me. Please. Please, Ruben, please. I mean, it ain't stopping, boys. The Nasdaq said we ain't stopping for nobody. Ain't nobody. That's what the Nasdaq said. I don't know. Crazy in here, people. It's getting fucking crazy in here, man. This music right now it's a lot of anticipation. Nasdaq still trying to push up here. The bulls are being relentless. They're being relentless right here. Those poor shorts, those poor bastards down at the bottom. Those poor bastards. Welcome to Donald Trump's America, baby. Market only goes up. That gap fill puts us back up there to the 670s. It's still going higher. It's still going up. That 21,600 area is Monday's high, and then that 613 after that is the high from earlier there at 10 o'clock. That 10 o'clock candle, 613. So just in this back to the 15-minute range to chop around some more. Gotta get out of this shit, man. Those 15-minute candles, ugh. Nasty, nasty. Patrick, why did the flag not work? I don't know, man. Call the people that make the flags. They're in charge of it. Nasdaq just stuck right now inside this 15-minute range. Good spot to not trade because we know that the ranges cause choppy action. Ranges cause choppy action. We bounced kind of like right off the VWAP there again. 15-minute range, holding on here. Kind of building out a little bit of a bull flag here. Basically want to see this thing like break out here, turn that into support, and then go higher, obviously. falling asleep over here. David lost $1,200 last night trading drunk. Probably not the best idea. Don't drink and trade. Not a good plan. No drinking and trading, boys. Don't do it. Mohammed's down $1,000. Nice. Top Step on fire. The best of the best over there, baby. We can get out of, we got to get out of here. Get out. If we get out of this, then that gap fill is coming. The gap fill is going to get filled. Trying to get that continuation now through the 80s here. Need that strength. We need strength. Everybody wants to be a fucking hero until they want, until they gotta go. Everybody wants to be a hero until they have to put on the fucking trade. Got any good trips coming up? No trips coming up. I'm just focused on making money right now, to be honest. I know that sounds funny, but that's really all I'm worried about. All right, Nasdaq testing 85s here. Gotta push it to get it through. Got the ES trying to turn back up as well. ES, Nasdaq, all just trying to turn back up. Look at the ES now, that nice, strong 15-minute candle on the ES, pushing back up there through the 50s now. We just couldn't go lower. So, I mean, if the market don't want to go lower, you know what that means. You know what that means. Well, then it means it wants to go higher. Okay, that's pretty much what it means. Yeah, I mean, I don't have all the answers, but I have a few, and that's what it means basically. Beep boop boop. ES is pushing. NQ pushing up there to Monday's highs, 21,600 now. All right, I really want to see this. Like I said, I want to see that strength to get through. Right, we want to get through this now. Look for a bull flag above this level. I got the hiccups. I'm burping. All right, we want it now that we're up to the top of this range. Perfect. Get out the top of this range. And then we want to see, like I said, we want to see that strength to get through there. And then after that, it's like bull flag set up. We bounced off the LuxAlgo indicator trend line there for a second. This candle is reaching. It's going to try to reach out there and get the high of this candle now. The high of that candle right there, 612. 600 level to get through, and then, and like I said, after all that, you got 670s up there next. So kind of want to see like one of those. If we take out that 615 level, then get that bull flag, that would be even better. Following your earlier comment about the inside candle on the daily. Yeah, that's what we talked about, causing chop. If you look at the daily chart, you can see just it's a recipe for chop. Why do I want to wait for this to break out to get long? Well, so that I don't get chopped up. Trade the momentum. Also, look at the ES right now. ES got a lot of wiki wicks coming up here, so ES needs to break through that 55 level. And then you got the gap fill on the ES up there to the 6,063 would be what you're looking for a push. And see what's happening right now? Just kind of stuck here right below that 600 level for now. This is why we wait for that. Wait for the right setup here. Oh, good Lord. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 600s. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It looks like it's going up. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. $605 was the high there. You still got more room to try to take out that high there. Now look at the ES again. If you're not looking at the ES, keep an eye on that ES. Look at the ES move right here. I would say if the ES gets above the highs here, 55, and then that gap fill right up there takes the Nasdaq higher. Possibly. Time is it? 10:43. We should get some action here. 10:50 going into the 11 o'clock hour. The macro. That's right. We're live from the BDH. Let's go. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. We're doing it right here with you live on the tube. 590, 590, 590. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's do something here. I think. I mean, I don't want to. Again, I don't want to jinx it, but I mean, I think the Bulls are gonna win the battle here. That might just be me, but I mean, you know, I'm just speaking out loud here. If they can get it up there above 615s. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'm back. Well, nothing happened. I was hoping I was going to come back and the market was going to be 100 points higher for everybody in the chat. Just stuck right below Monday's high for now. Get through there, 21,600. Take it all the way. Stuck there. Just like really just kind of consolidating here now at the top of this range. Ugh. Need to see some strength. Like I said, this is why I said wait for that 600 area to break through, get through that high there, and then look for the next setup there. Little pullback on the ES as well. ES, little pullback. See if the ES is going to bounce here, hold that 50 level. See if they're gonna trap shorts now. Try to trap them by getting that little dippy. Get shorts excited to get short up here and then rip it up. Would not surprise me by not one bit. Nasdaq just consolidating up here at the highs right now. Needs that power to get through 600s next. Sometimes you got to pull back before you can go up. Sometimes. Both the ES and the Nasdaq pulling back here again. Market just getting stuck at the top in the bottom of this range now. I think now if we start to get like above 590s again, then we kind of look for that continuation through the 600s there next. The more they keep kind of dipping this down into this 580 area and then popping it back up, you kind of want to see that like 570, 580 area kind of getting those buyers stepping in there. So you want the wicks on the bottom of those candles there. This needs to kind of hold up here now to push through all the way. $580s. Line in the sand here. Get through 90s and then see if we can't get continuation to the upside there. $590s. $590s, will she go? Trying to break the 590 level to go to the moon, possibly. Patrick, do you ever look at volume? Never. I never look at the volume. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I don't. She's trying to push. All right, 90's pushing here. Need that continuation. Got the ES coiling up. Got the Nasdaq coiling up. Or coiling. Recoiling. $10.50 algorithm kicking in right now. What will happen? Basically, like, it's got to go right now or it's not, it's going to not go, obviously. So it's got to go. Top step got long. Oh no. Oh no. I mean, it's really just sitting there at the 90s. Should start to push here. Should try to push. She should. There's the push. Now we're looking for a push through the 600s. ES, Nasdaq, both trying to push up here at the same time. Love to see that. We like to see that momentum to the upside here, people. There's the 600 push. Very nice. Very beautiful. If you're long right now, don't be afraid to take a little bit of profit as we push up here into this previous area of resistance. If you want to just fucking go for the gold, fuck it. All the way, baby, to take out that high from earlier above the 600s, 615s. Could be your target, but hey, some people like to take profit early. You know, I like to take profit early. So I like to take profit early. You like to, hey, everybody like to take profit early, man. You know, we like to take profit early. What can I say? We like to take profit early. So there's our long, like I said, above the 90s, looking for that little break above the 90s. I bought two. I bought another two into that 21 EMA pullback there, and then sold above 600 here into this push. And like I said, no reason to force, you know, especially with this choppy action there. Happy with that. Look at that. Top ticking son of a bitch. Took profit there, 603.75. Jacob, what made you decide to take 10 points instead of 20 points? Well, from 84 to 603 is about 20 points. And then the reason that I took profit where I took my profit is, well, look at these wicks, right? Wick, 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 ding, 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 wick, wick, wick. Hey, sell into the wicks. You know, you're buying wicks, you're selling wicks, if that makes sense. So have you ever tried buy limits off long wicks? Not really my style of trading, but I know some people do it. The best part, hey guys, at the end of the day, the best thing is, like, you can trade whatever, like, what works for you. Like, just because I'm over here trading a certain way doesn't mean that you have to trade a certain way, you know? Does my strategy work for everybody? No, it won't. Most people will end up, you know, they just different mindset, different brains. We all a little bit different. And if you're wondering why I took profit where I took my profit, well, the high of that candle was right into there. We've got, you know, resistance. We've been chopping around this level. Not trying to get all crazy. How many courses have you sold? A little over 5,000 now. 5,000 times however many thing you know. You know, whatever that meant, do the math. I don't know. $200 per course, over 5,000 sold. It's a lot of money. The best part is, like I said, my course is literally $199, and the only reason that I sell it is because there's a demand for it, right? I know it's people are like, yeah, but you just make money off your course. But if I didn't sell my course, people would buy somebody else's course, you know? So it's like, am I going to let other people make money off of my followers, or am I going to offer something that people can have a choice to buy or not? I think it has value, and I sell it. If people don't like it, like, no one's putting a gun to your head and forcing you to buy. These live streams are free every day. So Joseph Patrick, how do you figure out what are you going to trade between take profit, Apex, and all that? Well, honestly, it depends on where I'm at with the payouts. So like for like the, what do you call it? For Tradeify, like right now on Tradeify, I only need to make all right, how much I need to make? I need to make like $1,000 more per account, basically. So it just depends where I'm at in the payout kind of window, right? Like if I know that I'm like getting close to a payout, then I probably like, I won't go too hard. If I have like, let's say I just got a payout, like if I have accounts that I just got a payout on, like that's when I'm going to go hard, because like I'd rather blow up after the payout, you know, instead of like starting small and then like increasing as I get closer to the payout, right? So like kind of start out strong and then kind of slowly kind of get to that point where you can get the payout, get your payout, take your money out of the account, and then go hard again, and then kind of the same thing, kind of slow down when you get closer to the payout. MW Futures says I'm getting more mature. I don't know if I'm getting more mature. I'm just maybe getting more business savvy. I'm figuring out that maybe it's easier to convince people to watch a YouTube live stream if I'm not a total dickhead. You know, just a little bit of a dickhead. So I gotta like, it's a little bit, you know? I can't just keep telling everybody in the chat to go fuck themselves every day, because that's not gonna work out too good. Joseph, do you ever trade more than one prop firm at a time? I don't know. Dalton says that by the course, my win percentage went from 30 to 40, breaking even every week, to being funded with multiple prop firms, and his average win percentage is now 70%. I mean, I didn't write that. I didn't tell him to write that. He bought the course and he wrote that. So I mean, that's pretty cool. We'll have to post that on Twitter. Thanks for the love, Dalton. Thanks for the love. Do OG Market Flow members have access to the course? Yes, we send an email to every single Market Flow Trader member to get the new course. If you didn't get it, it's a little past that point. We sent an email to every single person. Well, there you go, Nasdaq. Not bad. Best part was, like, let's say you bought earlier there at the 90s. I mean, your stop really needs to be like below this candle here, so you still could be in this trade right now and be hitting in the money. So still in the money, honey. I notice that you get into the trade before the flag breaks sometimes. That's just because like maybe I'm seeing something, like I'm just like feeling it, you know, I got a feeling kind of thing. It's not really the best idea, honestly, because there are times where I get in early and I end up paying the price. So, you know, it's kind of, sometimes it works for you in your favor, and then other times it might not work for you. So it really comes down to your risk reward. Do you still watch the dollar? I do not watch the dollar. Taylor said that he's gonna, after he gets his first 50K payout, he's gonna come to the BDH bringing me a unicorn with a dick as a spike for a gift. Wow. Well, really gonna appreciate that. Rogue Trader, he's watching the breakout on the ES. I'm watching both, baby. I got my eyeballs on everything. ES is looking tight. Patrick, I won the course in the giveaway. Thanks. Hell yeah. How fast is the GT500? Not fast enough. I'm actually getting the Lamborghini Huracan back, the STO. And we're going to be filming a video tonight with it. Kind of looking forward to that, actually. Because, well, we got some cool stuff coming. Patrick, can you copy trade Apex and Tradeify on the same Trade of 8 copier? Unfortunately, you cannot do that currently. I don't know for sure, but I've heard secrets, or I've heard rumors that maybe in the future it would be possible, but I don't know. Have you looked at the AP Safari? I see you have an AP on. I haven't looked at it. I wanted a watch that had the black and the orange, so that's why I got it. Black and orange, baby, just like the BDH colors. Hey, Patrick, are you streaming from Orlando, Florida? No. No streaming from Orlando, Florida. Well, Nasdaq going higher. Again, this is the price action concepts indicator on the chart. The LuxAlgo price action concepts. It's pretty cool. You can mess around with it. I don't even use a lot of the features, but there's a ton of stuff going on in there. This is obviously a paid indicator. You pay it per month, and they're always coming out with new features and stuff like that. But as you can see, this little line right here, I did not draw that personally. The indicator drew that out there, and you can see how well we've respected that as we push up here. So she's going. Nasdaq, how high can you go? How high can you go? Nasdaq. I don't know why, but whenever I say Nasdaq, I think like Nasdaq. Nasdaq. You know, like Nasdaq. Are you going to offer fishing trips to your #1 subscribers? Probably not.
Patrick, I am starting a YouTube channel soon, using your styles for Asian session only. No charge, to change people's life like you change mine. Thank you.
Lloyd Tran, starting a YouTube channel. All right. So you want to be my competition, huh? You want to be my competition, huh? Is that what you want? All right. Hey, you know what they say? There is no love in war. Or there's no war in love, or I don't know, something like that, right? You should go live on Discord for $50 a month. Why? Why would I ever do that? You know, like why would I ever do that? Why would I ever start a Discord where people pay $50 a month to watch me? Why? That makes no sense. I make about $500,000 a month. So let's think about it. Like if I did a Discord for $50 a month, let's do the math, right? $50 a month times, I don't know, how many people would I need? If I make 500,000 now divided by $50, I would need 10,000 people in the Discord, and that just seems like a lot of fucking work. Kana, you didn't enter a trade? Kana, are you new around here? Are you new, Kana? You're new, aren't you? I see the chat getting smarter by the day. Did I? I just showed. I just showed it, didn't I? I just showed the trade live, didn't I? Did you guys? I saw. The fuck? Sometimes I forget that I'm even like. Did I trade? I don't remember. Did I? I don't know. How do you be confident about taking the trade when it sets up? Well, your best bet is probably just to practice with small size and do it over and over enough until you get to a point where you're making money consistently with a small size, and then size up. The reason that most people don't want to take a trade is not because they don't think it's going to work out. They're just afraid they're going to lose. So the best thing to do is start out with like micros. Trade one micro. Do that, 100 times. Make $10 100 times with them one micro. And then after that, size up. Do 2 micros. Build up your confidence. Build up your strategy. And then do 5 micros. And then do 10 micros. And then do 10 minis, baby. Are you on short? No, I am not short. Why would I get short? The market just keeps going up. Joey Morgan, micros are fire. Yeah, if you have a micro penis, it's all good. Girls will tell you that the size doesn't matter, but they're thinking about it. They'll tell you that your little pee-pee don't matter, but trust me, they're thinking about it. Nasdaq breaking out here through the 600s. We've got that gap fill, puts us back up to the 671s. We'll see how she goes. But for now, I got to go. I got things to do. I got to go pick up my Lambo. I got to drop off my GT3 so that I can pick up my Lamborghini. It's a hard life I live over here. Always constantly having to move cars around, do stuff, and blah. It's hard work. It's hard work. The giveaway. Oh, yes. I need 2 emails. Let me check my partner here. All right. The 2 winners of today's Take Profit Trader giveaway is Amelia Giddens. IMILOA Giddens. Amelia Giddens. That's pretty cool. Cool name. Oh, if you're wondering how do you sign up for the giveaways? Well, if you weren't here yesterday, you would know. Well, if you were here yesterday, you would know. But if you want to sign up still, there's a chance to win tomorrow. So make sure you tune in tomorrow. Sign up today, win tomorrow. Pam wrote that a bird penis doesn't fit in an elephant, and an elephant penis doesn't fit in a bird. Other than that, it's all good. Damn. Pam just dropping fucking knowledge in the chat there. I like that Pam wrote it too. It's pretty awesome. And the other winner is Larry Monroe. Larry Monroe, winner, chicken dinner. We got more giveaways. Like I said, we got 10 accounts to give away. We're giving away 2 accounts every day this week. So make sure you tune in, sign up, get back here, be here with the number one trader on you. Well, we'll just call it number 1 live stream on YouTube right now because we know we winning. We just winning. Absolutely just fucking winning, boys. Am I going to do a power hour? I'm going to try to do a power hour, but if I'm not here, I won't do it. So I got to go pick up the car. I got to pick up the Lamborghini at 3. And then I don't know if I'll be able to make it back in time. We'll see. Either way, big thank you for everyone tuning in today. We'll be doing this tomorrow. We'll be doing it Friday. We got some stuff happening. We got a special guest next Monday. We got I've been trying to get more people to come in here, but it's like the problem is I just don't want like any asshole to come in here. You know, I just like, first off, like, I don't just want somebody who just wants to come hang out with me on the live stream. Like, I want someone who like can bring some value to the stream. And then I also don't want someone who's just going to come in here and like promote their Discord or promote their fucking Signal service or whatever bullshit they have. So it's kind of a tricky spot. It's not easy. Like, you know, like there's not a lot of people out there that actually like know how to trade. So bikini model, that might work. Just a couple of bikini models trading. I'll tell Victoria to wear a bikini next time she comes and trades. So there it is. Nasdaq pulling back into the 21,600s. What a move. What an absolute move. Off the lows down there. We held the lows. We just grinded right back up. And yeah, it's one of those days. Kind of like I said, that daily chart, right? The daily chart just kind of stuck inside of, you know, yesterday's kind of candle there. Yesterday's range. Low Tan, I'll be at the BDH soon. Yeah, you will. You just keep on sending me fucking super chats before you know it.
At BDH soon.
Before you know it, Low Tan, you're gonna be paying my bills around here. Just keep on donating, baby. Invite Coach Dakota. No, I'm good. Coach Dakota is too much. That's too much beta energy. You can't be having that up in here. Can't be having that in the stream. You know, it'd just be way too much beta. I would just my masculinity would just overpower him too much. All right, look what's happening. Nasdaq's breaking this trend line to pull back here again in that 580 area. Will we pull back all the way to the VWAP there next? We'll see. And yeah, did Top Step get long? No way. Top Step is long from the 584s now. Oh God, market's going down. Zero. It's going down. Now I can't walk away yet. Fuck. I want to keep watching to see if it dumps. I don't know where their stop's at yet. They didn't say. I don't think they're actually in a long. I don't see him like actually showing the trade. I don't know. Also, anybody that trades with a white background, like if your screen, like if your trading view chart has a white background, like there's something wrong with you. You know, like there is something wrong with you at that point. Like it's just you're a weirdo. Like it just like look at this. Like who would ever want? Oh my, why? That just hurts looking at that. Like what if that was actually how I traded? Like I couldn't even be able to see. I'd be like, I'd be blinded. I'd be fucking blinded by the chart, the illumination of the chart. I can't do it. Just can't do it. It's all black, baby. What if we do like orange? Oh, BDH, baby. Maybe not orange. What else we got? Pink. Oh, there you go. If you're green on the day, make your chart green. Maybe Dietwin. I think just that one's good. Black all the way, baby. Once you go black, you never go back. You know? Once you go black, you never go back on your chart. Trust me. I know. What's the BDH stand for? Do people really not know what the BDH stands for? Bass Menace. Patrick, fuck you for making me money. Yeah, well, fuck you for making money, you asshole. Hey, go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. All right. I'm out of here. I'm going to go to Chipotle, eat me some lunch, come back maybe later, but I don't know. You know, I might just walk away. We're getting really fucking close to that Tradeify payout, you know, another payout number 2 is coming up. You know, payout number 2 is coming up. I like to get that third payout with Tradeify. I don't know why. Right now, Tradeify, the journal shows that I made. It does not show my last trade. Oh, wait, what? Why is it so low? I don't know why the journal is showing that, but on Tradeify right now, the journal shows that I made 1.8 today, but I should be like around 5,000 on the day. So that'll be what, 18 days now of like I said earlier, I don't want to jinx it because I'm going to end up jinxing it, but I think it just hasn't updated yet. It should be changed. No. Why is it not changed? Why is it not changed? You can see on the actual accounts here, I'm up 5,000 basically. I needed to make another $1,000 to get a payout with Tradeify because of the consistency rule. The 20% consistency rule is a little tricky. You got to be a little tricky with it. So we're up. Just got to figure out. I don't know. I think the thing's just not loaded yet. It's going to load later. But the green streak continues. Brett Simba better get my fucking money ready, baby. I'm going into a live account real soon here. Gonna have like $60,000 to put in there. We're up $120,000 net P&L trading these 5 accounts with Tradeify since we started on January 10th. So 18 days of trading, $122,000 in profit. And we just keep it going. I got to be better. I got to do better. I got to be better. I got to do better, you know? Like, it's got to be better in general. I'm going to be better. I want to go bigger, boys. I'm going to make more money, all right? I'm going to make more money. That's right. More money, more problems. Big thank you guys for tuning in. I know I do get a little crazy and wild here on the stream, but all the people that tune in here every day, big thank you guys, because if it wasn't for you, well, then I would just be here in a room by myself talking to myself. So, you know, as much as I like to troll and make fun of people in the chat, I do appreciate all the support. And I know sometimes I do get a little caught up, you know, maybe arguing with the haters and all that. But honestly, that shit just fuels me. I don't know about you guys, but maybe it's not as enjoyable for you guys, but I think it's fucking hilarious, especially when they come in and they start talking shit like Patrick, you never, you know, like it's always some kind of like bullshit. Like, Patrick, I heard that you don't actually trade, that you just show us the winners after you're in the winners. That, you know, like, that's all. I just see that. So it's funny to kind of give it back sometimes to show the proof. Like I said, you know, there's no other YouTuber out there right now. Yeah, I mean, there's not one other YouTuber in the entire space that can show you this, show you these stats. And that's not me just talking shit. That's just the truth. I'm on a fucking heater right now. Who are you going to watch? The guys who lose money every day, or the guy who is literally on a fucking heater right now? You know, who are you going to put money on? The guy that keeps winning, or the guys who keep losing I mean, I don't know. It's confusing. I don't understand how we don't have fucking 10,000 people watching here on the stream. You know, maybe it's because I'm not inspirational enough, or not nice enough. I don't know what the fucking reason is, but it is. I just confused. It's confusing, you know. But I think what it really comes down to is sheep love to follow other sheep, and that's why my chat is full of the fucking wolves. We got wolves in the chat. Wolves in the chat. Go to hell. You are the weakest trader. You are very weak. Poor man. Damn. Chat. Okay. Thanks, chat. Some guy in the chat named RBTZEU. What kind of name is that? We got the wolves in the chat. I want to see how many people are green today. Who's green today? Poll coming, poll coming, poll coming. Hit the poll, people. Hit the poll. Hit the poll. See, the problem is, like, if everybody keeps making too much money, then, like, the prop firms are going to go out of business. Hey, RBTZ, you want to annoy me? Perfect. Go to the VIP room. Go to the VIP room, buddy. Todd's on a streak right now. Everybody's on a streak right now. Well, let's go. I mean, hey, trust me. Like, there's nothing I want to see more than chat winning just as much as me. You know, I would love to see the chat every day fucking winning just like me, baby. We do it together. Like I said, without you guys, I'd be nobody. You know, I'd be nobody without you guys. So thank you for making me somebody. I appreciate you, chat. I do. I love you. I'll see you later. And let's do it again tomorrow. Let's do it again tomorrow, live from the BDH. Oh, God. Oh, God. Almost fell out of my chair. I'll see you guys later on. Peace to the world. Well, peace to the Middle East. And then all the other fun stuff. So, see ya later. Never. Maybe. Some point. I'm going to end with a song that I love. A fan favorite. I got a fan favorite song here for you guys. You might know it.
I think I figured it out.
You might know it.
He is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused, insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. I sat there, pushed, and I fucking leaned, pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my gosh. Little cut. Yes.
I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard. Oh my god. Little cut. I got this. So much power. Don't worry, guys.
Take me higher.
I got this.
So much higher.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell quarters. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Push. I sat there, push.
Going down hard. Oh my god. Little cut. Yes.
I sat there, push.
Going down hard. Oh my god. Little cut. The vertigo, man. 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 Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you and then you make money. Don't be telling people the secret.